We're super excited about our latest review. We work very hard to meet everyone's needs, and we really value hearing 5-star reviews like this one. Now, we're sharing it with you. It's obvious that great experiences like this always make us smile, but it also serves to remind us how important it is to provide everyone with the best service possible. We believe that our future success comes from our success today. One of the keys to our success is our commitment to satisfaction. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours too. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can contact us at the number on your screen. We hope to hear from you soon.